Hindi ko sinasabing guilty ang kanyang kliyente. Klaro naman ang sinabi ko. He is deemed to be innocent until his guilt is proven. At ito po'y nasa korte ngayon. Kaya nga sinabi ko, mas mabuti sumuko na siya, magpakita na siya, at siya rin nagsasabi, nasa hearing ito, para maklaro lahat. Because these are very serious allegations. And it's already people of the Philippines, may warrant, hindi ba, Tony Torion? May warrant. Oh,
Sir,
may warrant.
please, order. Please, walang personal na confrontation dito. Please address all your statements to the chairman. Lahat ng sabihin ninyo, i-address nyo sa chairman and not to each other.
If I may, Your Honor. If I may.
Yes.
The problem with the statements of Secretary Abalos, he being a lawyer, is that he quoted verbatim the allegations in the affidavit complaint, which is now actually on trial before two courts, Your Honor. So that is clear.